A lot of companies use customer service in their mission statement. It's not just a phrase on the wall for Frank Electric. We see it as a competitive advantage in our industry. As the industry leader, we provide service and support to contractors in the field. As long as we keep improving and focusing on service and training, that ultimately it's better for the industry.
If you look at our business, the most important person out there in the sales channel is somebody that we don't sell to directly, and that's the contractor. So everything that we can do to make that contractor as competent and as professional and knowledgeable as we possibly can, we have to do that. The foundation of it is really the amount of training that we provide. We provide training year-round in multiple venues all over the country.
We like to joke that we'll train at the drop of a hat. It could be on the back of a pickup truck with half a dozen people around talking about a specific product, or it could be at a Franklin Tech event.
And a typical year is between 4,000 and 5,000 attendees. Now, a lot of those are pretty large crowds at various state conventions where we might have over 100 people, whereas at Franklin Tech, we generally confine that to 25 people.
I just like going to class. I'm trying to learn as much as I can. I love coming and trying to learn. And they're willing to teach me, so an old dog can learn new tricks.
But that's just the foundation. If you go beyond that, we've got our technical service hotline, so we're available to answer questions.
When a caller calls in, he's looking at equipment we can't see. So we have product in our office and in our workspace that we'll actually look at the same time he's working on it. Something a contractor might deal with once every 2 years or every 3 years, we'll deal with several times a day.
The hotline takes around 32,000 calls each year. So as a result, it is very unique that the hotline ever receives a call that they have not already had an answer to.
The hotline is, I think, one of the best things going. I think Franklin does that better than anybody else. In fact, I've never called where they weren't able to help me out with what I was trying to get resolved.
And then what really makes us unique is that we have field service engineers in the field that are available to go out on a job site. And maybe that job site is a unique application of our product, or maybe the contractor just needs a second set of eyes, but that's something that we offer that no one else does.
We're all located in different geographies. We have territories that we cover personally. We basically network, and we advertise that if someone has a problem with any of our products, they can call us and we'll help them figure out what that problem is.
I think what sets Franklin apart is their field service. The ability to talk to someone when I'm out in the field and have a problem. I can actually talk to someone that's going to help me, and they are helpful. They're very knowledgeable. That's one of the things I really like about Franklin.
People will tell me that even if they had a problem with a piece of Franklin equipment, the fact that we have a dedicated team to go out and help them and willing to do it all hours of the day and night, that's just worth a lot to them. Keeps them up and running.
The aim for technical services internationally is the same as in the Americas. We want the best technical service and make it a value-added service so that they're not paying for it, that they are comfortable and confident that our equipment is the highest quality equipment.
I think that's the main reason a lot of folks do business with us, is because they know when they get into trouble, they're going to have somebody that's going to come out and help them.